Hello everyone, welcome back to Python weekly session. So this is the session 2 of the Python. In this section I will explain you what are variables in Python. So before starting this session, let me brief about the previous session. So in the previous session was the first session of the Python, in which I gave you brief introduction to Python and how to set up the Python environment and how to install the IDLE. Plus I shown you the two modes of running the Python program, that is interactive mode and script mode. So those who are watching this video first time, please first watch the uh, first video of the Python and make your environment ready for running the Python program. So let's proceed for the section 2 of the Python, that is chapter 2, what are variables in Python. So guys, variables in Python, as the name suggests, are the values that vary. In programming language, a variable is a memory location where you store a value. And the values that you have stored may change in the future according to the specification. So for example, in this uh, diagram, I have taken three variables: name equal to Tom, age equal to 22, and country is equal to USA. So what are these? These are the three variables. When these value are where these values are stored are known as memory. Like name is stored in some memory location, age is stored in somewhere in the memory, and country is stored somewhere in the memory. So what are these? These are the memory and these are the variables. So a variable in Python is created as soon as a value is assigned to it. It does not need any additional command to declare a variable in the Python. Whereas in some language, you need to give some additional command, let A equal to B, let name equal to Tom. So in Python, it is very simple. You need not to give any additional command to declare a variable in the Python, right? So there are certain rules and regulation which we have to follow while writing a variable. Let's take a look at the variable definition and declare to understand how we declare a variable in Python. So these are the four rules for declaring a variable. Number one, the variable name cannot start with a number. It can only start with a character or an underscore. Okay, so let's check this in the Python interactive mode environment. So I have already opened Python interactive mode for you. So this is the Python interactive mode, right? So let me exit this and restart it again. Okay, so this is how we can restart. So this is the Python interactive mode, and three arrows are coming here, which is the prompt of the Python interactive mode. So let's suppose how to declare a variable. Let's suppose I am declaring a variable name is equal to Tom, right? So this is my variable, this is successfully declared, and now I want to print this value. So I simply need to give variable name. Okay, so it's displaying as Tom. Now first rule is we cannot give variable name with numbers. Like if you give store a variable like this, one name equal to, let's suppose, student. Okay, so suppose I am declaring this variable. Now if I hit, so it's giving me error, syntax error, invalid syntax. That means we cannot start variable name with any number, but you can start variable name with underscore. Okay, if I give underscore and if I give like this, right, one name is equal to Ria. Okay, let's suppose giving this. So what do you say? Will it give syntax error, or this time it will, this Ria value gets stored in the one name variable? So let's check this. So it doesn't give us any error. That means we, if we start a variable name with underscore, then we can give number, then we can start our variable name with number. Okay, let's print it value, print, then what's the variable name, underscore one underscore one name. Okay, so this time it's accepting the value variable name as one name because underscore is there. Okay, so we have checked the first rule. Second rule is variables in the Python are case sensitive. Okay, if suppose case sensitive means if you are declaring one variable with name as in small case and another variable also with name, but this time you declare a variable in uppercase. So both variables are considered as different variables. So let's check this rule. So let's check this rule here. So if you, let's suppose if you are declaring a variable a equal to 35, okay, and again you give another variable a equal to 40. So these two a will be considered as different variable. Let's check this. Like if I give print a, what will it display? It will display 35. But if I give print capital A, then it will display 40. That means variables in Python are case sensitive, right? So we have checked second rule as well. Third rule is they can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. So this we have already checked. Variable name can contain alphanumeric characters, but variable name should not start with number, right? But in between we can give numbers. Okay, let's check this. If you give declare some variable like this, marks 1 equal to 50. So this time it's accepting because your variable name is no starting with number. However, it contain number, but that number is at the end. So this is a valid variable name. Okay. Then last rule is no special characters are allowed. Okay. Like you know what are special characters? Special characters are like uh, I mean to say that like at the rate, dollar, percentage. So variable name we cannot use these special characters in the variable name. So let's check this. Like if you give some variable as marks percentage, okay, equal to 40. So it's giving the error. Why? Because we cannot use special characters in the variable name. Okay, you cannot use like this a dollar equal to 3. It's giving syntax error because special characters are not allowed in the number in the variable name. So these are the four rules of declaring the variable. First is variable name cannot start with a number. It can only start with the character or underscore. Second, variable in Python are case sensitive. Third, they can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. No special characters are allowed. So these are the four rules you should remember by heart for in Python. There are besides this, there are several data types in Python. Let's take a look at the data type in Python. Every value that we declare in Python has a data type. Like in this example, I have stored Tom in the name. So Tom value has some data type, might be string. Like I have given age equal to 22. So 22 might have some data type like integer. So by saying this that every value have some data type means whatever we store in the variable have some data type. So each value that we declare in the Python has a data type, and data types are classes and variable are the instance of these classes. So in the next class we will learn in detail what are data types in Python and how to declare them. So we will consider each and every uh, concept in practical and do these things in the practically. So till then you practice these variables and go through these points, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Thank you. Bye bye.